Welcome. I'm Dr. Cena, a dermatologist based in the UK, and today you and I are going to be taking a journey into the world of Matrixyl. Well, let's start off with the basic question. What exactly is Matrixyl? Put simply, it's a peptide, a chain of amino acids, the things that make the building blocks of proteins. It has been created in a lab specifically designed to target the stimulation of collagen, the protein in the skin promoting support and elasticity, giving it its healthy young look. So why do we need Matrixyl? Put simply, as we age and especially beyond our mid-30s, our skin loses the ability to produce collagen at the rates at which it once did. And this leads to sagging, fine lines and wrinkles, and let's face it, most of us would rather not have any of that. Matrixyl works to counteract this decline by sending a chemical message to the skin, instructing it to produce more collagen. This is alongside the stimulation of elastin and hyaluronic acid, products which help the skin also look more plump. Matrixyl has only really been around the last couple of decades. It's still very much a new kid on the block compared to Retinol, which has been around for much longer and is now the famous collagen stimulating derivative that we all know. People who have very sensitive skin or can't tolerate regular use of retinol may try Matrixyl as an alternative for its anti-aging properties, although it may also be combined with retinol as the two complement each other perfectly. So let's look at one of Depology's hero products, the Matrixyl 3000 Serum. This serum combines two peptides for even greater effect and also includes hyaluronic acid, so you don't need to think about including that separately in your routine.
What I really liked about the serum is that there is no greasy sheen, it's not heavy to use and feels very natural. This is important as it needs to be easy to be used continuously in order to have the desired effect over time.
So where would you put this in your skincare routine? It couldn't be simpler. After you cleanse, I would use the Matrixyl 3000 first thing to avoid any barriers with reaching its target in the skin. Afterwards, you can complement the product very nicely with Depology's Micro Dart Patches. This is their other hero product, giving an extra boost, particularly to that wrinkle-prone under-eye area. Each patch has 1000 serum-infused tiny micro darts to help target fine lines and wrinkles, whilst also hydrating the skin.
These are probably one of the most premium under-eye patches that I've actually ever seen. They each come individually wrapped, and you can observe here just how fine those microdarts actually are.
So finishing off, I hope this video has been useful for you to help identify exactly where you could put Matrixyl 3000 in your skincare routine and understand more exactly what the product does. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. And also go and follow Depology Skincare for more of their fantastic products.